Hola! Welcome to the Beginners Argentinian Spanish course. I am Gaia, an Argentinian Spanish teacher with a degree in linguistics and more than 8 years of experience. And I'm here to help you learn Spanish in an engaging and practical way. This course is perfect for beginners who want to start from scratch. It's divided into 5 sections, and in each one you will find video lessons, downloadable PDFs, and quizzes to test what you just learned. By the end of the course, you'll be able to introduce yourself, ask for personal information, talk about events in the present, build important vocabulary, and more. I use clear explanations, lots of real Argentinian Spanish examples, and extra materials to help you practice beyond the videos. I've designed everything to be clear, practical, and fun. If you're ready to start learning Spanish in a real and engaging way, join the course now. I'll see you inside. Ciao, ciao!